How to add any NFC card to Apple Wallet. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to add any NFC card to your Apple Wallet. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to your settings, go to the search bar right here, and then just search up for NFC, and then make sure that NFC is enabled. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to the App Store, go to the search bar right here, and then just search up for NFC tools. Search up for NFC tools, and then once you're here, what you want to do is just click on NFC tools, click on get, and then wait for this to install. And then once it's done installing, just open up NFC tools, just allow the permissions, and then what you want to do now is just click on read, and then after that just scan with your NFC tag right here, and then once you're done, you are now done. So yeah, so after this you can now use it as an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add NFC card to any Apple Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.